Now, CBS 46 Pinpoint Weather, certified Atlanta's most accurate forecast.
And Dorian has gotten stronger, still a Category 2 storm, but at the very pinnacle of a Category 2 with 110-mile-an-hour winds moving to the north-northwest at 8 miles an hour. There is the center of the storm moving at 8 miles an hour, now just off the coast of Georgia. So moving away from Florida to the north-northwest and closer to Georgia. As that happens, winds are going to pick up. So the worst of it is happening tonight along the Georgia coast. The eye of the storm will stay offshore, so no landfall expected, but it will get pretty breezy. Right now, seeing wind gusts of 33 miles an hour in Savannah, 39-mile-an-hour winds in Brunswick, 32 in Jacksonville. South Carolina starting to see those winds pick up as well, but right now, winds from 20 to 30 miles an hour. As we head through the evening hours, the storm will continue to skirt along the Georgia coast. By tomorrow morning, it will be very close to Charleston, South Carolina. We'll see sustained winds near 56 miles an hour, up to 60 miles an hour by the early afternoon. Then as we head into Friday, that's when it will start to impact the North Carolina coast. Could see near hurricane force winds as it passes by Hatteras with winds near 70 miles an hour. We talked about that strength of the storm and that it did get stronger. For more on why that happened, let's head over to meteorologist Ella Dorsey.
Really incredible. Has to do with the upper level winds, but also with sea surface temperatures. As Dorian sat over the Bahamas through the last couple of days, it rained a lot. That allowed the sea surface to cool. So take a look. Current sea surface temperatures over the Bahama Islands, that light red, that is cooler water, but Dorian is now moving into much warmer water. See the pinks there? That is water on the order of 90 degrees in some areas. Because of that, that's going to help fuel this storm. It's actually increased in strength. It is now a top tier Category 2 storm. It's expected to maintain Cat 2 strength, but looking at this scale, Category 2 hurricanes only go to 110 miles per hour. That's where Dorian's strongest winds are right now. So if this storm gets any stronger, it will be back to a major Category 3 hurricane. We get another update, I believe, at 8 p.m., Jennifer, correct?
Yeah, an intermediate advisory at 8 o'clock, then at 11 could see a new track, but I don't think the track is going to change because we've seen a very consistent track really over the past couple of days, but it will be dangerously close to South and North Carolina. It's really hot here. No effect, really little to no effect from Dorian over our weather. You are going to notice a little bit of cloud cover with mild temperatures tonight. Temperatures only cooling down to the mid 70s, but that heat returns tomorrow. Will be a little breezy tomorrow. Winds out of the north at 10 to 20. We actually have a cold front moving through, but that cold front not going to do much. You'll notice a couple clouds, a little bit of a breeze, but it's not going to make it cold. It's not even going to cool it down. It's going to stay warm all the way through the weekend. Plan ahead because Saturday will be in the mid 90s with mostly sunny skies. Sunday, super hot, even hotter as we get up to 96. So I know a lot of the pools have closed. Unfortunately, I wish they were still open because it's going to stay warm all weekend. Even into next week, we're still in those mid 90s. We do see a slight chance of rain, but it's not even here until next week. So don't